Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super useful trick that I know a lot of you have been asking about: how to play YouTube in the background. Whether you're trying to jam out to your favorite music playlist, catch up on podcasts, or just listen to a video while multitasking, I've got you covered, so let's get into it. First off, the most straightforward way to play YouTube in the background is by subscribing to YouTube Premium. Not only does it allow background play, but it also offers ad-free viewing and access to YouTube Music. But if you're not looking to subscribe, there are a couple of workarounds you can try. Let's start with Android users. For Android devices, one of the easiest methods is using your browser. Here's how: open Chrome or Firefox on your device. Go to the YouTube website. Find the video you want to play in the background. Now this is crucial. Request the desktop site by tapping the three dots in the corner of your screen and selecting desktop site. Play the video, then exit the browser and go to your home screen. The video might stop, but pull down your notification shade and you'll find the media controls there ready to resume play. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.